In this tutorial, I'll show you how to make the camera to follow a curve, while tracking a target object. Numpad 0, or, and view camera to see the render view. By the way, this view selected will center the view to the selected object. To see the render view, select view camera like this. What does view selected do? If we select that, the orbit, move and zoom will be centered around the selected object. The keyboard shortcut for view selected is numpad delete, located beside the 0 key. Let's center the view to the cube object, and continue. We need a curve circle. Please remember to press the 3D button. S to scale. Select the camera, and press Shift S to move the camera to the 3D cursor. Let's go to Object Constraint Properties, and add Follow Path. Put a check mark on Follow Curve, and click Animate Path. It's working perfectly. Now we need to add track to constraint on the camera to track the cube. Perfect. I'll show you a better example. Let's use H to hide the cube and the curve. We need a gear worm. If you don't see that, please activate an add-on called Extra Objects. Let's proportionally scale the top vertices like this. Ctrl 3 to subdivide. I'll add our usual curve spiral. If you don't see that, please activate an add-on called Extra Objects as well. I'll make the spiral curve like this. This time, we'll track an empty object instead of the mesh in the middle. I'll extrude the ground plane's edges a bit. We need to increase the clip end value for the camera. We can make the camera to go slower, by going to the path animation, and increasing the frames count. I'll scale the mesh down. This is the end of the tutorial. Please like and subscribe, if you have enjoyed watching this tutorial. Thank you for watching.